Do you really think life coaches want to make $10,000 in the next 30 days or less? When it comes to making money as a life coach today, things are changing at a rapid pace. More than ever, life coaches are getting certified and competition is higher than it's ever been before. And it's getting more and more difficult for life coaches to go out there and sign up new clients each and every week. But I refuse to sit back and let this madness take place for life coaches. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I'm going to show you how you can use a profitable presentation to go out there and sign up new clients and help you make more money in 30 days or less. For the first time to the general public, I'm going to reveal to you the biggest reason why life coaches struggle to make $10,000 or more for their life coaching business every 30 days or less. And how you can. Whoa. How to find a perfect profitable niche as a life coach that is going to help you make money faster than ever before. A simple, easy to follow step-by-step formula for showing you how to create an irresistible life coaching offer that will beat out your competition immediately and sell things like crazy. How to build instant trust with your prospects who need your help, and how to use a profitable presentation to sign up multiple new clients for your life coaching business each and every week. And a lot more. Look at any life coach making six figures right now. There's a good chance they got to where they are not by having a beautiful logo, or because they posted on LinkedIn or Facebook 5 times per day, or because they have a freaking pretty grid on Instagram. They did it by having one profitable presentation that converted into new paying clients consistently. Look, when I started my coaching business, I had no idea what a profitable presentation was, or especially didn't know how to use one to sign up new clients every week. And I sure as hell didn't know how to use a 3-step selling system that would send people who needed my help to my profitable presentations consistently and would have new clients just spit out every single week. But after much trial and error, I finally cracked the code.
I have 2 guests with me this time, and they are a power couple. It's Tiffany Toombs and Sydney Clevenger.
The way you guys implement and move, you and Tiffany, and you guys work together, your team, you know, it's really, really cool to watch.
I was frustrated, I was stressed, I was overwhelmed. I wanted to give up. Met Sid, and he just changed that within seconds.
Don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win. Look, when me and my wife first started, we were actually living in a basement. So I actually know very, very well what it's like to just be starting out. And shortly after that photo was taken, I got real sick. And I had to make a decision. Was it gonna be my health and my wife, or my business? So I sold it all. It was during that time that life coaches and healers helped me get on a journey to healing that I've never looked back from. And that's when I decided to devote the rest of my life to helping life coaches and healers sign up more clients consistently and make more money so that they can use their gifts and superpowers to help make the world a better place each and every day. The Life Coach launched 10K PayDay StartUp Kit is for you if you're a life coach who wants a simple rinse and repeat process that's going to help you sign up new clients for your life coaching business each and every week like clockwork. It's also for you if you want to create your first or next 10K payday for your life coach and healing business, where you go out there and create and generate $10,000 for your life coach and healing business in 30 days or less. It's completely free, but insanely intoxicating. So go ahead and click that link down there below so you can grab your Life Coach Launch 10K PayDay Startup Kit right now. And I'll see you on the inside. And now, a moment of silence for the poor suckers who haven't clicked this link to get their free copy of the Life Coach Launch 10K PayDay Startup Kit yet. I can only do so much. Look, if you're a life coach who wants to make more money, click on that link down there below and get your starter kit right now. It's absolutely going to change your life. We'll see you on the inside. That was fun.